Welcome to Redline Review. Based on the information that was obtained, the Bavarian automobile manufacturer has not yet released a motorhome camper for the year 2026. Images or concept designs created by artificial intelligence portray cars of the future. The terms BMW Motorhome and BMW XC Camper are widely used to refer to these designs on the internet frequently. Some of the conceptual and unofficial details that are frequently included in these alleged designs include the following. Electric automobiles should only be used for short distances, with a total of 600 miles, with 40 miles being electric. Using hybrid drivetrains, such as a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that is connected to an electric motor that generates 375 horsepower. Make the connection. The interiors of upscale campers typically have a number of amenities, such as foldable beds, solar panels, auxiliary batteries, leather chairs, induction cooktops, and compact restrooms. It comes with a tent on the roof that can accommodate 2 adults. Different measurements and specifications can result in prices ranging anywhere from $90,000 to $180,000. Things that are both real and unimportant. Specifics of the current situation. There will be no public release. The camper and RV that BMW will be bringing into the competition has not been formally revealed. Graphical representations generated by intelligent machines. On the internet, there is a large quantity of concept art as well as videos and photos that were generated by artificial intelligence. The textiles are not touchable, despite the extraordinary designs that they feature. The 375 horsepower, 40 miles of range for electric cars, and 600 miles of range for hybrid vehicles are all rumors rather than actual declarations concerning the vehicle's capabilities. One of the factors that adds to the concept's success is the fact that users of Reddit are captivated with design. It is the BMW. Genuine models are engaging in conversations, producing memes, and generating enthusiasm. As a result of observing why it is unquestionably possible BMW is expanding its lineup of electric vehicles in 2026 by introducing the Neue Klasse, making technological improvements in the field of electric vehicles, and ramping up production. In order for BMW to join the market for motorhomes, the company would need to form new alliances, develop new production procedures, and undertake significant strategic revisions. Yet none of these things have been made public. The short answer is that the hilarious concept, computer graphics, and positive visions that are included in BMW motorhomes are the primary reasons for their popularity. It is an obsession that is not genuine. Preliminary guess from 2025 shows that BMW may offer a high-end hybrid electric camper in 2026. This would be for the advantage of the automotive industry. Be on the lookout for luxurious concept campers at car shows or boutique coach builders as well. It's possible that some designers will use BMW chassis to make one-of-a-kind trailers. When it comes to a 2026 BMW motorhome that was made by a corporation, what are your thoughts? There is only a thought that is sought at this moment.